Some of you had questions on when and where to use the Night Haven Overnight Age Control Cream, so let's chat about it. Night Haven was designed as a nighttime repair, recovery, and replenishing step to your skincare routine. Ideal for all skin types, apply after your nightly serums and apply evenly to your face, your neck, and décolletage using upward motions to re-energize your skin. We also had questions on if it contains caffeine. And though it's intense in awakening your skin with glowing and renewing benefits, it does not contain caffeine. But if this is something that you're interested in, we highly recommend checking out the Eye Smooth Nourishing Eye Cream.